Okay, quick video, and I actually already filmed that, but there was over 4 inches or over 10 centimeters of snow on my car, and I used this what I made. This is blower from AEG Stick Vacuum, 700 watt twin fan motor, so dual stage, and it was tough job. That snow was pretty heavy, and mainly there was a lot of snow. So how this will do, you will see next. And I am sorry about the video quality because I used my action camera, and I had to zoom and so on. But I hope you enjoy that madness.